How EXIN Cloud Certification boosts your cloud security skills. In this video, we will explore the benefits of obtaining an EXIN Cloud Certification and how it can boost your skills in cloud security. What is EXIN Cloud Certification? EXIN Cloud Certification is a globally recognized certification that validates your expertise in cloud technology and security. This certification equips you with the necessary skills to design, implement, and manage secure cloud solutions, making you a valuable asset to any organization looking to protect their data in the cloud. How does EXIN Cloud Certification boost your cloud security skills? Specialized training. By undergoing EXIN Cloud Certification training, you will receive specialized instruction on cloud security best practices, data protection, and risk management. Career advancement. Possessing an EXIN Cloud Certification demonstrates to employers that you have the skills and expertise needed to secure cloud environments effectively. Professional development. Investing in professional development through EXIN Cloud Certification not only boosts your cloud security skills but also demonstrates your commitment to lifelong learning and continuous improvement. The benefits of EXIN Cloud Certification. Increased job opportunities. With an EXIN Cloud Certification, you can qualify for a variety of positions in cloud security, cybersecurity, and information technology. Expanded knowledge. The comprehensive curriculum of the EXIN Cloud Certification program will expand your knowledge of cloud technology, security best practices, and risk management strategies. Networking opportunities. When you obtain an EXIN Cloud Certification, you join a community of industry professionals who share your passion for cloud security. Demonstrate your experience. Provide concrete examples of how you have applied Six Sigma methodologies in previous roles to drive measurable results and business impact. Conclusion. In conclusion, obtaining an EXIN Cloud Certification is a valuable investment in your career that can significantly boost your cloud security skills. With specialized training, hands-on experience, and industry recognition, this certification will enhance your expertise in cloud technology and position you as a trusted professional in the field of cybersecurity.